You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this word. Yes, there are different pronunciations. This is probably why it's a bit confusing and why you're here. So let's clear things up once and for all. The more British English pronunciation used in the UK in particular is as cancellous. Very short s sound here. Some may almost skip it. Cancellous. So some may say cancellous almost, or cancellous. So that's British English pronunciation. Now in the US, it's often pronounced as cancellous. Cancellous, with a stress on the second syllable rather than the first one. So again, two different pronunciations here. Cancellous or cancellous. Both pronunciations are correct, and now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.